Hi everyone, my name is Diana Marcela Martinez and this is my English word presentation. Stage 1, going on a trip. On my vacation, I went to Serinza. This is a city that I was routing and consisting in get up at 5:30 a.m. and to have breakfast and go out to milk the cows and breakfast to give dogs, cats, chicken, and other. Um, Stage 2, what is the weather like? Okay, for the Serinza, the climate is, or the weather is warm and sunny in parts. It's recommended you take a tent to cover, and you when it rains, it's necessary that you wear the caps and sunscreen. This is a lake, Cara de Perro. It is located for 1,000 meters high with wonderful landscape approximately. From the town center are about 3 or 4 hours walk. It is a Paramo where with beautiful views on street colors, frailejones. The people of this place say that the indigenes or indígenas people inhabit there to those areas, and the legend says that you cannot throw garbage in the surroundings or the blue waters or a storm breaks or it rains very hard. It is under vegetation or called thermaflures. And where shall people? The people shall go to Rinza, just enjoy the view and take many photos and another. Where shall not people? The people shall not leave garbage or make bonfires. My recommendation is or be careful when arriving at the lagoon and take care of the environment and bring sandwich and lots of water. Uh, Another recommendation is a camera to store memories, bright comfortable clothes and have sunglasses and sun protection. This is all. Bye.